if you look at India's manufacturing approach, it has been very high capital intensive in nature. Therefore, say capacity for steel and other things. As I understand, steel industry today hires 1 or 2% of the people it did 20 years ago. Therefore, a lot of the manufacturing sectors, thanks to technology, have taken jobs out from those. Therefore, if we want to really create jobs as an objective for Make in India, the nature and the structure of manufacturing, how does that change?
So I think there are two ways to think about it. If you think about which are the manufacturing industries in India which have done well and are in potentially export houses for us, right? One is the traditional gems and jewelry sector, in a sense, maybe agriculture to some extent. The other is automobiles. They have turned out to be one of the larger ones which have created a name for itself outside. Let us go back in time and see what created the automobile industry, in a sense. I think in the 80s, when we allowed a lot of foreigners to come in, set up shop, I think over the last 20 years, we've created some sort of an ecosystem such that new Indian houses can then begin to make in India and make for the world. That is something that we lost out on some of the more simpler manufacturing goods, the thing that China picked up, something that we did not pick up. I think now is the opportunity as China begins to lose its labor force and India begins to see a lot of this labor force come in. We need to try and ensure that these people get into the making of it. Will technology kill a lot of manufacturing jobs? I think that is up for discussion and debate till the 3D printers in some sense become reality in a big sense. I think what India needs to solve for is a 10-year period in which this big bulge of demographic dividend is going to come in. Post which, I don't think jobs is going to become the big challenge. I think what will then become a big challenge is how do we take care of our old and what do we do about our pension liabilities. I think we are 10 to 15 years away from that. We are thankful, we should in some sense be that technology has not yet made redundant some of these jobs. Even if it develops in the next 10 years, I think we would have in some sense given our demographic dividend the right jobs and opportunities that they want.